Hi friends, for today's Math Journal page, we're going to do addition, count, and add set 2. So you're going to look for this page. All right, my friends, now I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to put my name at the top. And then I'm going to have one crayon color. So you can just pick one crayon. And now we're going to look. Now remember, this sign right here is the plus sign. That's when we're joining two groups together. Let's do the first one together. I have 1, 2, 3 hot dogs plus 1, 2, 3 French fries. Now watch what we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know 3 plus 3 is 6. I just joined those two groups together. Okay? So let's do it again. We have 3 hot dogs. 1, 2, 3, plus, join that group together. 1, 2, 3 French fries. So we can count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a total of 6 objects. Friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. So you're going to count the groups, add them together, and then color in how many we have. Okay, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.